Okay, on the first grinding you saw how fast everything went, and it was real quick and easy to turn. Now this is the second grinding, and we'll make it very fine, and you'll notice, one, I'm having to turn it quite a bit slower. Some of that has to do with my body strength as compared to Jonathan's body strength, but find a good position to put the camera in so I can show you a little more how that works. It's not too bad, but you can see it's falling out. It's definitely not as much as first time sewed, but you'll also see much, much finer. It's not gritty. It's very fine, like store-bought flour.